You're welcome to Fish College YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the various kind of fish to stock that can help you achieve your expected results. Before venturing into this business, there are basic things you need to understand about fish farming, and that's why I want to commend your effort for watching our video. So today I'm going to be talking about the benefit of stocking jumbo size over juvenile and fingerling. And I'm still trying to encourage you, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do that now, and always feel free to like and drop wonderful comments. So this particular video is a workshop that we are carrying out in one of the states where we partner with NYC to train members on fish farming and agricultural activities. So shortly we're going to be storming a practical session where we'll be learning about the size of fish that can be stocked, and I'm so sure that after watching the video you will not be confused. You will understand the reason why you have to stock jumbo, juvenile or fingerling. So some people prefer to buy fingerling because they feel it is cheaper. It is quite cheaper compared to juvenile and jumbo. But one thing you need to understand is fingerling is good for those who have broad experience, because you need to learn how to manage them. For beginners, I encourage them to buy jumbo or at least juvenile. So in this video I'm going to be watching, I want to be seeing the reasons why you have to get them, and I want to say a very big thanks to you for watching our videos. So if you're a beginner, this video is good for you. Do like and share this video as you watch. Thank you. My good Lord bless you as you listen to the teachings that we have today. Thanks. So this particular farm is one of the farm under our care. We actually train the workers on how to hatch fish when the owner complained that for a long time they have not been able to hatch fish successfully, and we are contracted to come and train them. And by the grace of God, we don't just train, we also assist in marketing, and we are here to help them market this particular fish. So I decided to make this video to teach our students one or two things and to inspire you that you can also be successful in this business. All right, thank you guys. Everyone. So if you are a consistent follower, you know where I am. I'm in one of our clients' farm. I just came to help them dispose these fish. So the fish are due, and I actually asked them to keep this one for one of my clients too. So we'll be moving this fish from Omagwa to Port Harcourt town. You can see them. They are jumbo size. Can you see them? They're jumbo size. Very, very lovely. Happy. So what I want to talk about today, I want to teach you why you have to stock jumbo in your farm. And some of us don't know what is called jumbo size. Now, before you go into fish farming business, there are a lot of things that you need to know, and those knowledge will help you to do very well in the business. In the sense that some persons assume that after 3 months they should be making harvest. Some want to harvest after 4 months, some after 6 months. And part of what I want to be teaching you is why you need to stock jumbo. And this is going for those that want to harvest fish on time. Now, when you buy fingerling, let me just give you a layman explanation. Look at my finger size. So this is what we call fingerling. After fingerling, we have the juvenile. After the juvenile, we have the jumbo size. Now, the jumbo size is this one. Let me bring it clear to you so that you can see them. So we still have this mix anyway. So look at them. Can you see? They might have a juvenile here. And you see that there's a sharp difference between the two. So for those who are beginners, I normally encourage beginners to stock jumbo, or if you can't get jumbo, you stock juvenile. And what are my reasons? Number one, when you stock jumbo size, when you feed them well, within 3 months, you will harvest your fish. But when you stock fingerling can take you 6 to 7 months for you to obtain a reasonable size. These are realities that some parents might not tell you. And for beginners, it's not good for you to buy fingerling, because when you buy fingerling, the small ones, the ability to manage them is difficult, and cannibalism is always high when you have fingerling. And this jumbo size, like if you want to get jumbo from us, we don't just sell jumbo out. You book down. When you book down, we will now put the number that you want in a particular pond. When I mean book down, you are going to pay for it. They will now be training it for you till when they are up to the size before you can now pick them. You get it? So, but a situation where you cannot get jumbo, you can still go for juvenile. But I'm trying to explain to you, because some desperados that really want to harvest fish on time. If you want to harvest on time, that means you'll be stocking jumbo or juvenile, not fingerling, not post fingerling, not even fry. Some people go and buy post fry because they want to get it cheaper. And one of the bad mistakes many people used to do is, now when you get this tender fish, you don't know that you need to be changing the water for them at least 2 times in a day for them to do well. So check the cost of changing that water, check the stress. But for this one, you may change the water once in 2 days. Sometimes you might change the water once in 3 days, because you have actually come up, and the cannibalism here will not be too high. You understand? And at this stage, anybody that manage them to that level have given them the basic food that they need. So you may not spend more to get all these expensive foreign food to teach them. So are you seeing reasons why you need to get jumbo in your farm? But nevertheless, like as I said initially, to get jumbo is more easy. You understand? But I'm trying to say it for beginner, because I love it when people watch my video and they are happy because of the knowledge they are gaining. Okay? So when you get into this business and you have loss, will you be happy? No. So don't go and do that mistake as a beginner to go and buy fingerling. As a beginner, tell whoever that want to supply that fingerling, I don't want to buy them as fingerling. Can you raise them up for me to jumbo size? How much will I pay you? You understand? You are not paying for the fingerling. You are paying for the jumbo size, because you will not just pay for the fingerling and the person will be using his money, changing water, feeding them. Are you understand what I'm saying? So this is what we call business. You know, this business is very, very simple and straight. But when people don't understand it, like if you want to be harvesting your fish every 3 to 4 months, that means you be stocking standard jumbo size, and you need to pay dearly for it, so that when they supply it to you within 3-4 months you harvest. So if you are not getting and let me just tell you something about this catfish now. This catfish will have different species of catfish. We have the Clarus Garapinus, we have the Heterobrancus, we also have the hybrid. So you need to understand that their growth rate differs. Like this Clarus Garapinus is the one that is very, very common. Very, very common. So the ideal time for them to break the table size. Table size is eatable size. And eatable size is from 500 grams. And the 500 grams you can use to make pepper soup, 1 kg and above. Now, this catfish, now when you space them well and feed them well, what you'll be expecting is around 700 to 1.2 kg. That is on the average, and you are to attain this particular growth rate within 4 to 5 months. You understand what I'm saying? I'm just giving you. So if, for example, now you're able to achieve maybe 4 kg, 3 kg, that one is because of maybe you do not overstock your pond, there's enough space for them, and you are giving them the adequate feed. But on the average, so because it's not a good thing that you meet a consultant or you ask someone to put you through the business, or you get into the business and because of you saw somebody that trains hybrid, I did not even know that particular fish is hybrid, do not be telling people that I want my fish to grow to Like we have that broodstock, you don't put them inside that. Alright, so I would have shown you the broodstock. But you see that broodstock is around 5 or 6 kg. Now, that particular fish now, we do not attend that growth within this month. Broodstock averagely is more than 2 years or more. So as fish grows, it's not that they grow bigger, it's just like human being. Their growth, their size will be adding. Understand? But it will not be very, very rapid. That rapid stage is when you start to train them, like this clarias now, between 4 to 6 months. You'll be able to get the ideal weight you're expecting. Any other weight, it will just be adding, but it will not be too rapid. Therefore, heterobranchus, you can get 10 kg, you can get 20 kg from hetero. From hybrid, you can get 9 kg. So those grades, those size are not what you're expecting from this one, but those ones take more time, and it's because of the species. Okay, now many people will now say they want to stock hybrid. Now, for you to stock hybrid and heterobranchus, for you to achieve that grade, bear it in mind. You are going to be ready to train the fish for 9 to 14 months, 9 months to 14 months, or even more. For hybrid, you'll be ready to train the hybrid for 1.5 years to 2 years. Are you getting it? Because they need that time. There's a particular level that they will reach. They will now be shooting out. So my counsel for you is to try to get our training manual and read. Okay. Then if you're a beginner, I will encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Then also register for mentorship so I can guide you. Once you make your payments, we'll start to guide you. You get it? So, and very much important for us, a very long time we have not posted video. Not that we don't have, we have been very, very active. Trainings and so many other things. So it just came to mind where I'm doing this work, and I said let me just give this opportunity to teach. So thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel. That good Lord continue to bless you. If you have not done that, then do like and also comment. Tell us well done. If our video really touched, if you really learned something, I promise you will have a lot of things to teach you. So this farm is located at Omagwa. For those following us, it's one of the place actually under our custody. We train the manager, even though Mr. James traveled. So I think this is the last fish he produced, So Mr. James was someone that don't know anything about fish. So you can go through our video, you will see him, and we train him. We were able to produce this one. So I asked them to pick it for one of my clients, and I'm here to pick it up. So that is what we do when we train you, or when we set up farm for you. We also help you in marketing them, so you can enjoy the business. We'll put it on our platform, keep rolling it. So anybody that book for your own, even if you are not the one that set up your farm, we can still come on agreement. But I'm trying to talk about benefits that farms that we set up do gain from us. Once we set up your farm for you, we will help you to ensure that you are selling your products and you are selling them very well. And the good thing that this particular fish, I'm still taking it to another farm that is under our custody. Okay, I'm still taking them, but that's what we do. So thank you guys. We love you.